Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from bigcartel. First, go to your bigcartel dashboard, then go to Account on the upper ribbon. Now scroll down until you're in the Get Paid section. Here you need to set up your payment options, so just click on it. Once inside, you will see option to accept payments with Stripe or with PayPal. If you want to connect, just click on Connect. Here you just need to follow the instructions given to you. If you go back, you can also connect to PayPal. Here you just need to log into your PayPal account to connect with it. And that's just basically it. If you want to withdraw cash, you need to first set up your payment options. Then you can get your money from those payment methods. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.